Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Bitbank. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Bitbank is a crypto exchange based in Japan that was founded in 2014. This exchange offers some of the most popular cryptocurrencies and altcoins, as well as a dedicated guide which is provided for each cryptocurrency on offer. Bitbank is one of the few crypto exchanges where you can trade pairs that are denominated in the Japanese yen. One of the reasons this exchange is so popular in Japan is because it can be used to buy, sell and store Bitcoin, and the mobile application is beginner-friendly. The Bitbank website can also be used to learn about the world's most liquid cryptocurrencies, and you can get the latest news with price charts on each cryptocurrency directly from the website. Bitbank offers some of the most popular and liquid cryptocurrencies and altcoins in the market. Some of the cryptocurrencies currently on offer include the Basic Attention Token, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Polkadot, Polygon, and more. You will find detailed guides about each cryptocurrency at the bottom of the homepage, and we recommend reading through these guides before you start trading. The Bitbank customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and they can be reached via live chat. You can also submit a web ticket to chat with them via email. In order to get in touch with Bitbank, simply click on the Contact tab and either submit a ticket directly from the website or click on the live chat button. We would recommend visiting the FAQ section, where you can type something into the search bar to find specific results or browse the guides and articles provided for helpful tips. The Bitbank exchange has an intuitive interface, and it comes with plenty of drawing tools that can be used to visualize trends and personalize your trading experience. There are 6 different chart styles, and you can view charts in different timeframes. The desktop exchange can be connected to TradingView, and there are more than 70 advanced technical analysis indicators that you can use. This exchange is easy to use, and the spreads and charts are updated in real time, 24 hours a day. To access the exchange, click on the Trade tab. Bitbank also offers a beginner-friendly mobile application that can be used to manage accounts and buy and sell cryptocurrencies easily. This application can be downloaded for free from Google Play and the Apple App Store, and more than 100,000 users have downloaded it. The mobile application also has advanced chart functions, and you can use the TradingView version or the standard version of the application. In order to download the Bitbank application, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on one of the download links. For the latest market news, you can either click on the Markets tab or scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Latest News to see specific updates and insights for each cryptocurrency. Bitbank also provides detailed how-to-buy tutorials and price charts for each cryptocurrency offered, and you can access these guides by scrolling to the bottom of the homepage and clicking on Price Chart or How to Buy. In Japan, there are strict policies for cryptocurrency trading and cryptocurrency exchanges, so Bitbank is required to store all client assets in offline cold storage. Bitbank is also regulated by the Japan Financial Services Agency, and accounts are also further secured using multi-sig technology, which prevents cyber attacks. Bitbank does not currently have a native token, and it is unclear whether there will be one in the future. Most exchanges offer a native token to reduce trading fees. However, Bitbank does not charge trading fees. Only withdrawal fees are charged. The Bitbank mobile application can be used as a wallet. It is safe because assets are stored in offline cold storage, but you can also withdraw your crypto to your personal wallet address. If you prefer using third-party wallets, we would recommend using Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Wallet Connect. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a great option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. Wallet Connect is a Web3 communications protocol that connects wallets and decentralized applications and allows them to interact. More than 170 wallets are supported by Wallet Connect, and it can connect to over 450 applications. This wallet is built for DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations. You can easily create an account with Bitbank in a few easy steps, and it'll only take about 3 minutes to create your account. Firstly, launch the Bitbank homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, enter the referral code in the designated field provided, and then verify your email address and account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you will need to wait about 24 hours before you can make your first deposit and start trading. Unfortunately, Bitbank does not accept retail clients from outside of Japan. However, international corporate clients can apply to open an account. Once you've opened a Bitbank account, you can buy crypto instantly using your credit card. In order to buy crypto, click on the Buy and Sell Crypto tab. Add your payment details and choose the cryptocurrency you would like to buy. So what do we like about Bitbank? Bitbank is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange and is one of the most popular exchanges in Japan. This exchange is one of the only crypto exchanges that charge no trading fees, and Bitbank is a great option for first-time traders and professionals looking for popular cryptocurrencies to add to their portfolios. Bitbank has been around since 2014, and the exchange is being improved and updated on a regular basis. We would highly recommend trading with Bitbank if you are living in Japan, and if you are looking for a cost-free crypto exchange that offers all the top cryptocurrencies. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account with Bitbank today and take advantage of no trading fees with Japan's #1 online crypto exchange. And that is our overview of Bitbank. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.